Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to extract image from PDF to Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PDF file. Now I am open my PDF file on Adobe Acrobat Pro. Then go to the file menu. Click the export to option. Then choose image. Now I am select JPG. Then choose my file location and write my file name. Then select save option. Then wait some moment to saving the file. Then go to our Excel and create new blank spreadsheet. Then go to the insert menu and click the picture option. Then choose this device. Then select the picture which we extract on PDF file. Then click insert. Now we can see we extract a picture from PDF to insert in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.